So in this class we will study about array. Okay, one dimensional array I'll tell in this class, or it is also called as single dimension or 1D. Normally it is 1D, 2D, 3D. So for that again we will go back to the data structure tree diagram. See, data structure, we have seen primitive data structures, non-primitive data structures. In this non-primitive data structures, arrays are one of the division. Arrays can be single dimension, two dimension, or multi-dimension. So today we will understand what is single dimension. So this is like question and answers as we discussed earlier. So what is an array? An array is a collection of homogeneous elements with a unique number, and the elements are arranged one after another in an adjacent memory location. So let us take like this. Here I will draw. Okay, A, B, C, D, E. These are the okay. An array is a collection of homogeneous elements. See, homogeneous elements means all are homogeneous. It is alphabets only. That is what I mean. If I put numbers, yes. If I put alphabet and number everywhere, then it is homogeneous. Homogeneous means it is almost same. An array is a collection of homogeneous elements with unique name, and the elements are arranged. Okay. One after the another in adjacent memory location. One after the other I arranged. It can be this way or it can be this way also. Column wise, row wise also is there. Column wise I have written here. Okay. So these two sentences you have to write, or it's only single sentence, big sentence. Okay. Then what are elements in an array? The data items in an array are called elements. This is an array. Okay. Okay. The data items in an array are called elements. It is A, B, C, D, E are called elements. It can be 1, 2, 3, 4 or 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3 and 4, anything. Okay. But it should be homogeneous. Okay. So what are elements in an array? How the elements of an array is accessed? How it is accessed? For that, see, for array, we will give a name. Let us take A. Simply we will take array A, capital A. Then how the elements of an array is accessed? Because there are how to access this. There should be some way. So that is the elements accessed by numbers called subscripts or indices. This we told already, indices. Okay. This we will call it as like this. Here is indices. A0, A1, A2, sorry, A3, A4. This is indices. This is array A, but when I say A2, then we will do 0. It starts with 0. Please remember, not with 1. 0, 1, 2. So it is you will find the element is C. Okay. So this is indices or subscripts. Generally we will say indices. Okay. Then what is a one-dimensional array? An array with a one row or column. Here I have shown column. It can be one row also. Is called one-dimensional array. It can be like this also. A, B, C, D, E. This way also it can be. Okay. So an array with one row or column is called one-dimensional array. Row or column. Okay. I showed both. There are 2 important points to be remembered and need to be written. In array, elements are stored in a contiguous locations. This is a new word. Contiguous locations means share. This meaning, English meaning is sharing a common border. See, A is one element, B is one element. It is sharing a common border. Here also it is same. It is a common border. So you can write this way, this way, this way, this way. This way if you write, it is all column. This sideways if you write, it will become row. Okay. So contiguous. But when you are writing, you should write this word only. Okay. Then elements can be referred by indexing. That is this indexing. Okay. These two are important. Sometimes you will see in the book address, I'll write only in decimal 01, 1002, 1003, 1004 like this. But these things are address. This is exactly where in the memory of a computer it is stored. Okay, these things, computer when you compile it and all, finally if you are running, it will give, compiler will give you the address. That's we are not much worried. Okay, we need not do anything. We have to enter these things. Okay, and computer, this also is also depending upon the name of the row or column. It will give the index. It will get indexed so that we can identify exactly. I have shown only 5. There can be thousands. Okay, in one column. Okay. Then how an array is denoted in a computer program. Okay, that is array name and size. This way you have to write. So example, immediately I'll write array name can be A, size can be a number. Okay, simply I'll write n. Okay, this will tell you how many elements are there in the A. In this case, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can write A 5. Okay, and this n can be 0, 1, 2. Yeah, maximum is n minus 1. See, that is you should not write 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So maximum you should write only 4 here, correct? No, not 5. So yeah, in this case it is 4. Maximum it can be n minus 1 only because of 0. Okay, you should not write 5 because it starts with location 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. In this case it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Maximum is 4 only. This 4 indicates there are 4 elements. So that is the meaning. And in the programs in future classes, we will write A within square brackets the number, whichever number you total numbers you should write. Whichever number you want to write, that is a different procedure that we will see later. Okay.